everyone, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new video that is a biography of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore duration was from 1861 to 1941. He was the youngest son of Devendranath Tagore. वो सबसे youngest son थे देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर के. A leader of Brahmo Samaj, जो एक leader थे ब्रह्मो समाज के, which was a new religious sect in 19th century Bengal, at which attempted a rebellion at ultimate monastic basic of Hinduism as laid down in Upanishads. He was educated at home, उनको घर पे पढ़ाया गया, and although at 17 he was sent to England, और 17 साल की उम्र में उसको इंग्लैंड भेज दिया गया for formal schooling के लिए. He did not finish his studies there. उन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई वहाँ पे पूरी नहीं की. In his mature years, अपने mature years में, in addition to his many side literary activities, he managed the family estates, a project which brought him into close touch with common humanity and increased his interest in social reforms. He also started an experimental school at Shanti Niketan. उन्होंने एक experimental school शुरू किया शांति निकेतन में, where he tried his Upanishads ideal for education. From time to time, he participated in Indian nationalist movement. उन्होंने time to time बहुत ज़्यादा participation किया Indian nationalist movement में. Yep. Though his own sentiment and visionary way, and Gandhi, the political father of modern India, was his devoted friend. Tagore was knighted by ruling British government in 1950, but within few years he resigned the honorary as protest against British policies in India. Tagore has early success as a writer in his native Bengal. Tagore को बहुत ज़्यादा early success मिली native Bengal में. With his translation of some of his poems, he became rapidly known in West. वो उनके जो बहुत ज़्यादा rapidly poems के कारण उनको बहुत ज़्यादा West में जाना गया. In fact, his name attained a luminous height. उनका नाम बहुत ज़्यादा famous हो गया. Taking his across continent on lectures, tours and tours of friendship for the world, he became voice of India. वो पूरे दुनिया के लिए voice of India बन गया. For the world, he became the voice of India's spiritual heritage, and for Indians, especially for Bengal, he became great living institution. Although Tagore wrote successful in all literary genres, he was first of all poet. Among his 50 and odd volume of poetry are Mansi, सोनर तारी, द गोल्ड बोट, गीतांजलि, उनके जो फेमस बुक्स हैं मैं उनके बारे में बता रही हूँ, उनकी पोइट्री उनके बारे में बता रही हूँ. एक है हमारा मानसी 1890 की, द आइडल वन सोनर तारी 1894 का, जो गोल्डन बोट है गीतांजलि 1910 का, सॉन्ग ऑफरिंग गीता माल्या 1914, रेथ ऑफ सॉन्ग्स एंड बालाका 1916 में. The Fight of Cranes, the English returning is poetry which includes the gardener. उनकी जो कुछ हम ऐसे poetry बोल सकते हैं जैसे कि gardener, food gathering and the fugitives. The fugitives do not generally correspond to particular volume in original Bengali, and in spite of his title, Gitanjali Song Offering. ना ये तो थी इनकी कुछ कौन कौन से बुक्स इन्होंने लिखी, पोइट्री इन्होंने लिखी, ठीक है. उसके बाद कुछ एक्लेम्ड ऑफ देम, उनके कुछ पोएम्स थे जो इन नेम से के अपार्ट है. जो उनके कुछ मेजर प्लेज होते हैं वो है हमारे द राजा, दैट इज रिटन इन 1910, द किंग ऑफ डार्क चैम्बर, दघर, दैट इज रिटन इन 1912, द पोस्ट ऑफिस, Achatalian, that is written in 1912, The Immovable Mukhatra, that is 1922, The Waterfall and the Rakta Karvi, that is in 1926, Red Oleanders. He is the author of several volume of short stories. वो एक author बना बहुत सारे short stories का, and a number of novels, so बहुत सारे novels, among them Gora, Gare Bear, The Home and the World, The Yoga Yog 1929, The Cross Currents. Beside these, he wrote musical drama. इसके अलावा उन्होंने बहुत सारे musical drama लिखे, डांस ड्रामा लिखे, ऐसे लिखे बहुत टाइप के, ट्रैवल किया, बहुत सारे ट्रैवल डायरीज लिखी, बहुत सारे ऑटोबायोग्राफीज लिखी. One of his middle years and the other shortly before his death was 1941. उनके मरने से पहले उन्होंने जो लास्ट लिखा था वो था 1941 में. Tagore was left numerous drawing and painting. बहुत सारे Tagore ने बहुत सारे numerous drawings और painting लिखी है. And the song for which he wrote the music himself, और एक song लिखा जिसमें उन्होंने music खुद से दिया है. And finally, Rabindranath Tagore died on August 7, 1941. So this was a biography of Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you liked it. Thank you.